Now I'll show you how to print out the handover form from Mustex. First, go to Summary. Then, on the left side, you go to Work List. Then you go all the way to the right, where you normally see the week list. And there you click on the Choice button. Now you see also the handover. Click on it and you will see all the open tasks you have in Mustex. Now you want to print this. You touch the middle button, Print Work List. Now you have to wait a while, because here on the underside you can choose Open. And now a good PDF form is made, and this is the best printable one. Now you can print the list. Good luck.